Namaskar. Photon may not have mass, may not have charge, but it does have a color, and this color is saffron. In this presentation, we will go through an experiment to show that the color of photon is saffron. The color of a material object is determined by the frequency of light that it reflects. More clearly, light rays are reflected by an object and reaches to the retina in eyes, and then brain identifies the color of this object. So obviously, to determine the color of any material object, essential requirements are eyesight and light rays. Then the question arises about the color of any entity which is not material object, like light rays or photon. Perhaps eyesight may not be required to determine the color of any such entity which is not matter. So the proposal is, in this presentation, to determine the color of solar radiation without using eyesight. So an experiment is designed to determine the color of solar radiation. To perform this experiment, time is chosen such that bright sun is shining in the sky. That means time of noon may be preferred. And the place can be any open place where we can see the bright sun shining in the sky without any obstruction. Now, staying at this place, standing or sitting, close your eyes and cover fully with hands. So you will feel the darkness, that means black, all around, even when your face is towards the sun. Now, after staying in the same situation for a couple of minutes, remove the hands to uncover the closed eyes facing the bright sun. Now, despite the eyes being closed, you will feel some color spread all around. Is it not the saffron color? Certainly, anyone can perform this simple experiment and certify that the color of solar radiation or the color of photon is saffron. Photons are packets of energy, solar energy, let us say. In nature itself, we can see the color saffron at the time of sunrise or sunset and in the flames of fire, and both of these are considered to be the sources of energy. I guess these arguments are sufficient to accept that saffron is also the color of energy. In Sanatan Dharma, it is believed that saffron is the color of energy. That's why saffron robes are used in all the Sanatan practices. And these practices are based on the experience of enlightened sages of Sanatan Dharma. To generalize, we see that solar radiation are there all over the universe. So saffron should be the color of space-time fabric as well. It may be believed that a person blind by birth may not be recognizing the various colors except the black one in darkness. But through the experiments specified in this presentation, a blind person may identify the saffron color as any change noticed around on removing the hands or cover from the eyes while facing bright sun. In other words, even a blind person may be able to realize the color of energy, that is saffron color. Thank you.